All right, guys. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Spikes upon spikes, right? VIPs winning. All right. Look at this. We're making a lot of profit this morning already. All right. So this strategy works every time. Every time I step on it, it works for me because I apply price action, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you how I do it. All right. So you just stay put. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and ensure to have all the information correctly before you step on your excuse me, I'm not supposed to be on this page. I just want to show you guys how you're winning on the VIP team. This is our free channel. You can join us for free. All right, VIP is winning. You can see you can join us, guys. You can join us. It's very important that you join us. All right, free channel. I'm going to be dropping the link to this free channel on the description of this video so that you can join us for free and be a part of what we are having here. We're making a lot of profit every day, and trust me, guys, making money can't be very hard if you understand how these things work. Right, it can be very hard. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys how you do it. All right. But as you can see, that's another spike right there. Another spike. All right. So we use a couple of indicators that are very powerful. The combination is crazy, guys. It's very powerful. All right. I'm going to show you how it works. But as I usually tell you guys, price action is key, guys. Price action is key. Make sure you learn price action. Meet a mentor. Meet somebody to mentor you. Somebody who is in the business for a while. I'm not talking about some newbie. Meet a seasoned trader to mentor you so you can learn the art of price action. Is very important. It's going to help you. All right. If we go to a higher time frame, you see I have my horizontal line. All right. Okay. You see the 4-hour candle just closed, and it's going to be a massive spike. It's going to be a couple more spikes. We're going to have a lot more spikes on this trade, guys. So price action will help you understand the candlesticks, to help you understand the market direction, market condition, market structure. All right. Price action will help you know what to do when a particular candle does a particular thing, right? Like as I said, the 4-hour candle just closed. All right, and I'm expecting a couple more spikes before I and my VIPs take profit and leave the market. All right. So yeah, get a mentor, get somebody to teach you price action. If you don't have a fair knowledge of it, it's very important that you learn it. All right. So let me rotate my screen so I can show you a bit of price action. Okay, so before I took this trade, all right, I want to show you guys. Before I took this trade, right, I already know the areas on the chart where price usually reverse from, right? Excuse me. I already know the area on the chart where price usually reverse from. Like you can see my horizontal line. It's right here. All right. I entered the trade after price had broke the resistance. All right. Price came all the way from below and then broke that resistance and retested, right? And then I saw the candle here. You see the little bullish candle here? That's a very powerful candlestick, all right? And then you go to a lower time frame. Go to like 1 minute, and then you confirm from your indicators and see what the indicator says. That is after you have studied the market using price action. You understand what the market is about to do. All right. What you do first is for you to go to the higher time frame, 4 hours or the daily time frame, see the market direction, make sure it is in an uptrend. How do you know it is in an uptrend? You need to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows, something like this, what you are seeing here. You see, this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, another higher low, all right, another higher high and another higher low. You need to be seeing stuff like this on the higher time frame, right? All right. If you see moves like this on the higher time frame, that clearly shows you that market is in an uptrend. Okay, the lower time frame is not significant, it's not powerful as much as the higher time frames. All right. Why is it that the lower time frames you don't need to really focus on the lower time frame when you're looking at price action? It's because what I usually tell my students, I have a lot of people who are learning under me. All right, what I usually what I usually tell them is that if you go to the market, you want to find out prices of stuffs in the market, right? You don't want to be asking somebody who just spent 5 minutes or 1 minute or 10 minutes or 30 minutes, right? When you can actually ask somebody who spent up to 4 hours or even up to a day, right? That person is going to give you a more accurate information than someone who just spent a few minutes in the market and left, right? So the higher time frame will always tell you, always give you a better information than what the lower time frames does. Okay, so go to your higher time frame, see series of higher highs and higher lows, make sure that the market is in an uptrend, and then identify your area of interest. How do you do that? I showed you already. All right, let me turn my screen again. This is an area of interest, but you need to be doing this on a higher time frame, remember. Okay, this is an area on your chart. Your area of interest as far as buying is concerned is the support, right? You want to be buying at your support. So you can use your horizontal lines, you can use your Fibonacci levels, you can use whatever tool you use. All right, you can see that on this spot, you can see that the market reversed here. It also reversed here, almost the same level. Also reversed here, almost the same level, right? So on a higher time frame, of course, that's where you'll be doing this stuff. Okay, you can see. Let me show you guys. You can see at this point, this was a reversal. This was another reversal. This was another reversal. All right, so if you see areas on your chart where there are multiple reversals, several reversals, if you see up to like 6, this is another area on that chart. This is that same area again. There was a reversal here. All right. So when you see up to like 5 or 6 reversal points on the same area, all right, this is another one. You can see this is exactly on that line. All right, this is exactly on that line. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be on that line, but a zone is an area of your chart, not that line in particular. It's an area on your chart where price usually reverses from, right? So if you are able to identify that, then you are good. Remember, you should do this on a higher time frame, either daily or the 4 hours time frame, right? So you can see that I have my horizontal line placed right there, and at that point, let me show you again, guys. You see, this is the area. This is the area. See, this is it. This is it. This is it. Price kept reversing from that area, so I picked that area as my area of interest, and then I waited for price. Let's go back. I waited for price to come to that area, and then it did. All right, it did on this level, right? It came to the area here. It came to that area. It didn't get exactly to that area when there was a spike, and then what happened? I entered at around here. Yeah, I entered the trade around here. I did that on a 30 minutes time frame though, but you need to confirm everything on every time frame, right? So I entered the trade and caught the spikes. All right, why I entered the trade is because I noticed price was on that area, that support area. All right, and I also noticed that my indicators converged on the lowest time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. I also noticed that my indicators converged around that area. You can see around here. All right, soon as you see indicators getting to this area, you see these blue lines, the moving averages here. These are the moving average. Soon as they converge around this area, there's going to be a spike. As far as every other condition have been met, that was another massive spike, guys. I told you guys there were going to be much more spikes. All right, that was another long spike. Okay, so you guys can see for yourself. This is real. This is real. You just have to have a fair knowledge of price action. Is very important, guys. So you are on a higher time frame, the daily or the 4 hours. You have seen series of higher highs and higher lows. All right, the next thing you want to see is price at your support level. Of course, I've shown you guys how to identify the support level. All right, you've seen price at your support level, right? You need to check all the time frames to know that price, to make sure that price is actually at that support level, right? Because it can be on the support level on some time frames, but it has already left that level on the other time frames, right? So you need to make sure that price is still around that area, and then you need to see bullish candles, right? You need to see some bullish moves. And then your indicators also confirm for you what's going to happen next. Like I said, soon as price converges around this green area, around this green line, this is your envelopes level 10. All right, soon as price converges here, the moving average converges here, there's going to be massive spikes, guys. Try this, guys. Look at this. This is it. Another example. Massive spikes here. All right. You see another example. You see price converged around here and then there was massive spikes. All right, a whole lot of it, a whole lot of spikes. You can see price got here and there was a lot of spikes. This is it, guys. This is very key. All right, so you just have to know how this works and then apply it to your real account after you've practiced it for a while. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys the settings for the RSI. Okay, these are the indicators we are going to be needing: your RSI, your envelopes, and 3 moving average with different settings here. So for RSI, it's period 7, apply to close levels 90, 10, 70, and 30. All right, you're done with that. You just click done. You can use any color that you want, but black is always nice, so I just use black. So yeah, you click done, and then you add the next one, the envelopes, period 100, shift 0, deviation is 0.618. All right, method is simple. Apply to close. Upper band, I choose red. The red area is where I want to be selling from. Okay, if I'm trying to scalp, I'll be selling when price converges. I'll show you guys. I'll be selling when price converges at the red line, the red area. If I want to buy, I'll be buying when price converges at the green line. But remember, you don't want to buy when the market is in an uptrend. You want to be buying when the market is in a downtrend. So let's say you get to the market and want to catch spikes, but unfortunately, you've not seen the market. You've not seen series of higher highs on the higher time frame. Instead, you are seeing lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. All right, you're seeing series of lower lows, lower highs and lower lows and all of that. Then you should understand that it's not a good time to buy. Rather, you can just scalp, pick a couple of candlesticks and leave. Right. So at that point, you want to be seeing your indicator converge, your moving averages converge at the upper band level 90, right, which will be around the red area. I'm going to show you. So you're done with that. Just click done. This is the red area. This is it. If price converges here, there's going to be some droppings, right? But for what is it called? For crash, that's when you catch spikes when price is selling. When the market is selling, when the market is in a downtrend, that's when you catch spikes. All right. So that's that for envelopes. And then moving average, period 7, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Levels, you don't need that. Styles, you can just use any color of your choice. You just click done. And then the next one, 21, period moving average, maintain every other information on the previous one. All right, the next one, the 50 period moving average, that's the only thing you change, and then maintain every other information in the previous one. And then you just click done, and then practice this for a while. Make sure it works for you before you apply it to your live account, guys. Make sure you understand what I just taught you guys, and make sure you use it on your demo for a while before you can now get to your live account and make profit for yourself. All right, I'm going to go back to my VIPs now. I need to go attend to them. So peace out, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not done that before. Make sure you drop good reviews. Come to me. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description of this video so you can chat me up if you have challenges, guys. So just reach out. Peace.